Back now to the record-setting coronavirus increases we're seeing throughout the country. New cases are once again surging in Washington state. That, of course, where the first confirmed coronavirus case in the U.S. was back in January. Well, on Saturday, Pierce County, Washington, recorded its highest number of new cases since April. The county seat there in Pierce County, Tacoma. The mayor of Tacoma, Washington, Victoria Woodards, is here with me now. Madam Mayor, thank you for being with us. To what do you attribute this latest surge?
I was talking to our health director yesterday, and what we really are attributing this to is just people are getting out more. There is nothing that ties it to any age group, to any particular, it's not our care facilities. So it really is people are just getting out and about. The weather is nice. And I think we're not paying as close attention to our social distancing, not wearing our masks as much as we should, and not washing our hands like we should.
What and different communities all over the country are trying to reopen in phases. You all, I think it's phase 2, but it's different in different places. Do you have a level of concern or fear now? What are the chances even that you might have to go backwards instead of forwards in terms of reopening because of the surge you're seeing?
Well, I think what's going to happen is we're going to probably stay at phase 2 just a little while longer. I think trying to get to phase 3 is too big of a jump for us right now. So I don't think that we'll go backwards. I think that we have a community that listens. You can see that by the fact that we were able to flatten the curve, after a while. And so we listen. And so I think we just need to make people more aware. But I think we'll stay in phase 2 just a little bit longer before we get to phase 3.
Something else I want to ask you about, the mayors for guaranteed income. This idea of universal basic income is something that people start to hear more about because of Andrew Yang when he was running for president. He talked about sending people $1,000 a month, but you have essentially signed on. You have a little coalition of mayors around the country who are pushing this idea. How could this work? How would it be helpful now to be able to give people a guaranteed check, if you will, every single month? How would that help even through a pandemic right now?
To be able to offer a universal basic income would really help those struggling families who, they make it from paycheck to paycheck, but if they have a flat tire or their brakes go out or just the simplest of emergencies, then they're completely set back, and especially in this time of coronavirus. So I think it would make a really big difference.
All right, well, that's a coalition. We talked to the mayor of Stockton that I know you are in partnership with. It's an idea that maybe is catching on, but Madam Mayor, thank you for being here. Look, we went through it here in New York, and we are watching other communities across the country still go through a lot with coronavirus, so we are rooting for you and pulling for you. Thanks for taking some time with us today, all right?
Great, thanks for having me. Have a great
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.